Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green beans in FS25. Before planting, ensure your field is ready by clearing any old crops. Then, plow or cultivate the ground thoroughly. This creates a fine seed bed, essential for a healthy crop. Good soil preparation is a critical first step for a successful harvest. Now, let's pick the right tools for the job. You will need a planter capable of handling small seeds, which you can easily find in the game's equipment store. Next, head over to the shop and purchase several pallets of green bean seeds, typically found under the seeds category. Return to your field and carefully load these seeds into your chosen planter, ensuring it is completely full and ready to go. After planting, it is crucial to apply fertilizer to your field to boost growth. You can do this using a sprayer or a solid fertilizer spreader. Keep an eye out for weeds, removing them with a cultivator or by applying herbicide as needed. Consistent care ensures a healthy crop, preparing it for a bountiful harvest. Once your green beans are fully grown and ready, it is time to harvest your hard work. Equip your combine harvester with a suitable header designed for legumes or small grains. Drive carefully across your field, collecting all the valuable produce. Finally, transport your freshly harvested green beans to the best selling point on the map to maximize your earnings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.